Hello. The two articles I was assigned to cover are titled An Experimental Evaluation of the Impact of Intensive Supervision on Recidivism of High-Risk Probationers by Jordan Hyatt and Jeffrey C. Barnes. The second article was Halfway Back, an alternative to revocation for technical parole violators by Michael White, Jeff Mello, Kristen Englander, and Mark Ruffingo. The first article discusses a study on the impact that intensive supervision has on high-risk probationers and their probability to recidivate. The study looks at 832 total participants and splits them into two groups, normal supervision and intensive supervision. 447 were assigned to the normal probation group, while 385 were put in the intensive probation group. 40.5% of the intensive group was charged with a new offense, and 41.6% of the comparison group was charged with a new offense. The results found that the different programs had no significant effects on recidivism. The second article discusses an alternative to sending technical parole violators back to prison in order to lessen the strain of the prison system in New Jersey. The alternative was a program called Halfway Back. The studies seek to find if the program resulted in a difference in recidivism rates and cost. The study was made up of 619 individuals. 227 of these individuals were selected from all Halfway Back program completers. The comparison group was 392 individuals who qualified for the Halfway Back program but were instead reincarcerated. 22.9 of the Halfway Back program members were rearrested for a new crime, and 24.2 of the comparison group was also, which shows no real difference in recidivism rates. The second part of the study looked at the cost savings. The study found that members of the comparison group spent in total 73,338 days in jail, costing the state of New Jersey around $7.8 million. While the Halfway Back members only spent 23,101 days in jail, costing only $1.5 million. The study found that rather than sending technical violators back to prison, the Halfway Back program saves the state of New Jersey about $1.3 million for every 100 participants. Thank you.